Here we have the FuBl2 blind landing installation, and you will hear some beeping in the background, which is in fact the Lorenz signal. You can actually see that the system is active. You can see it's kicking left. I've got a little test transmitter here which allows me to generate this signal. So it was left, now I'm turning it to the right, and now you can see the instrument is kicking right. Now this is now also going to my autopilot. You can see that the instrument here is likewise kicking right, and I've actually made a piece of electronics which performs the function of the so-called Auswertegerät. It translates those beeps that come out of this blind landing installation and turns it into a signal that feeds here the Kursfunkanlage. So now it's not working perfectly, but I am able to steer the autopilot via the radio signal. So I'm just going to switch on the autopilot here. So let it turn. And let me turn it towards about 0. And now I'm going to switch the Kursfunkanlage on. And now we're going to see what happens if I turn left with the Lorenz signal. So I'm turning the little knob on the left. You can see the instrument is starting to kick left. And in fact, you see that the autopilot is starting to turn left. So it's flying a curve towards the center of the beam. So it will do that until it reaches equilibrium. It's now slowing down. And here we are. If I now turn the signal of the Lorenz signal all the way to the right, you will see it starts turning to the other side. You can see the instrument is kicking to the right. So you can now see that the autopilot is reacting to the radio signals of the Lorenz signals, which I'm generating in my little test transmitter. I'll return that one to about center. There's still a lot of interference on the radio, which makes that it's not 100% accurate. But in principle, the system is reacting as it should.